We are excited and delighted to bring you this most special, most unique of properties right on the south coast. We've got 37 hectares of land right on the Great Southern Ocean. We've got a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, multiple living area, luxury residence spread across 1,300 square metres. There is truly no other home like this in Western Australia. Let's have a look through. Here we are in the heart of the home. This is your main kitchen, lounge, dining area. We've got 360-degree views, a beautiful abundance of natural light, towering ceilings, gleaming timber floorboards, seriously views in every direction. This is a space that you are going to enjoy living in and entertaining in year-round. The main bedroom suite is truly a suite. It has its own lounge, it has its own study. It's more than king size. We've got views back through to the Panoramic and the Stirling Ranges, and we've got a massive resort style opulent ensuite bathroom. This area speaks to the architectural brilliance that this home offers. We've got a second living space. It's adjacent to the main bedroom suite. We've got 2 king-sized guest rooms with a shared bathroom, and we're looking out over the pool, the lawn, the dunes, and out to the ocean beyond. Here we are on the oceanside pool entertaining outdoor zone. This is a fantastic courtyard. The house wraps around it, surrounded by lush greenery with stunning views out over that ocean. The landscape this house is set amongst is truly world class. We've got Wilson Inlet with 48 square kilometres of water, a timber jetty giving you year-round access. We've got the white sands of Anvil Beach, fantastic for swimming, snorkeling and fishing. We've got fantastic bush trails for walking, and all of this is within easy reach of both Denmark and Albany. This is a home that you need to see and experience in person, and the landscape and the view you need to see in person to truly appreciate it. Stunning in the daylight, beautiful in the twilight. We cannot wait to show you through. Never stop, never